If you wanted to lock the screen on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, all you have to do is simply press the power button on the right side of your phone. So if you press it, then you will lock the screen. There is a chance that you will still see the time, for example, in this case, or the battery percentage. This is always on a display, so if you want to get rid of it, what you can do is you can open settings, go to display and touch, and then over here we can disable always on display. So now if you lock your phone, it will be actually just off like this. The screen will be off. You can of course adjust the time of inactivity, after which the display automatically turns off. And in this case, you can go once again to display and touch, and then look for screen timeout. And over here, you can adjust the time of inactivity over here. And if there is a case where you cannot use the power button in order to lock the screen, then in that case you can scroll down to accessibility, and then over here open accessibility menu, enable the shortcut and press got it. Now we can tap on this button, and over here we have lock screen option. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.